It's an expression of nature helping you along. It's an expression of us allowing nature to do what nature does best. By definition, passive means to not actively resist what happens or what others do. So it's to let things flow. So I'd say one of the key features of passive design is, particularly in a homesteading type environment or a farming sort of scenario, would be to utilize gravity. This tank fills this hot tub from gravity. This hot tub then feeds these ponds, which then feeds this pond through gravity, and there we store our water. In that water of about 10 meters above the rest, and that gives us about a bar of pressure. So rough calculations is that for every 10 meters you gain in elevation, you will gain about a bar of pressure in your system. So that's completely passive pressure. I do love me some alliteration. Because it's utilizing gravity, there's no pump. It literally, the elevation creates the pressure, which then forces the water in the direction that you want it. Some other examples of passive design that we've tried to implement on our property here. Two in the make here. We've got the start of what we call our ground fridge. It's a root cellar. It takes advantage of the passive underground temperature. The earth moderates temperature below ground to be around 12 degrees, irrespective of summer or winter. This means that passively, without electricity or other inputs, we have effectively a cooling system. I'll soon do a video as soon as we've made more progress on the ground fridge. It's a very exciting project and one I've been passionately wanting to start for so long, and I'm just glad that we've broken ground on it. The other project we got going on is, for our camp, we decided for the toilets to be composting toilets. It's allowing nature to break down that waste like any other compost. I mean, it is a bit crazy of us to think that our waste is different to any other animal's waste. Then, of course, we've got our solar installations. So we've got a solar borehole pump. Now, that is another example, obviously, of passive design where we're taking advantage of UV rays that passively are, through photovoltaics, converting that sun's energy into electrical energy that we can utilize with no intervention from us. Lastly, and maybe not so obviously, we're passively farming in many respects because we're allowing nature and its microbes and beneficial bacteria to do so much of the work for us. We're also, from a fertilization perspective, allowing our animals to be part of that system, and we're accounting for their ecological services. These services are effectively passive inputs because they are providing all the fertilization we need. So anyway, this has just been a shout out to passive design and to allowing things to flow.